Hello. Today we're looking at plotting coordinates in all four quadrants. Now we do this on a Cartesian grid. A Cartesian grid is an x-y axis with x on the horizontal and y on the vertical. Now I also mentioned the word all four quadrants. Now a quadrant is one of the four parts of the graph. These are numbered and then referred to as quadrant 1. Okay. You can then abbreviate it to Q's, Q2, Q3 and Q4. And these are always written in Roman numerals. So anything where both coordinates are positive is in quadrant 1. Anything where the x is negative and the y is positive is quadrant 2. Both coordinates are negative, quadrant 3. Oh, I forgot to put the stop on the Q. And where the x is positive and the y is negative is quadrant 4. And we'll have a look at this in a little bit more depth later on. So, how do we plot the points? As always, it is along the corridor and then up or down the stairs. Okay, where the first part is your x coordinate, the second is your y coordinate. So let's work through these together. 3, 5. Along 3, up 5. It's also worth noting on this type of graph, the whole numbers tend to go on the lines, not in the boxes, but on the line. So we're getting it accurately on the paper. The best way to do this is on squared paper. If you don't have square paper available on MSP, there is a link to a coordinates grid that you can print out. Okay, you can get to squared paper in most supermarkets as well, so make sure you're doing this on squared paper, not lined paper. I can't stress this enough for accuracy. So that's the first one done, 3, 5. Now at the moment it's just a cross. It's a neat cross where the centre of the cross is on the line. And I'm going to label that point A so I know what it is. B minus 4 minus 2. So it's the x coordinate first, minus 4 minus 2. And that is coordinate B. C minus 2, 5. And D 4 minus 3. Okay, so there are the four coordinates plotted. So a reminder, along the corridor, then up or down the stairs. Draw your own Cartesian grid out, and here are 4 for you to plot. Pause the video and then check back in to see what you've done. So let's go through this on here. So we have 4 is E. Minus 1, 3, just before I crash into the questions, is F. Minus 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3. It's G. And 5 minus 4 is H.